Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys I'm going to show you Amazon haul, Primark, new look, and Sainsbury's. But it's just so few this time because I've been busy and I have also taken naps. And oh, Morrison's, or no, this is not Morrison's, this is Matalan. Oh yeah, I have Matalan also. I forgot because some of this is like few days ago. So first that I want to show you is I'm so happy to find this dress. I like this dress guys from New Look. So from New Look Apricot, look at the dress. It's so pretty. Oh my god, why it's so big, a bit bigger to me. But yeah, it's so nice guys. It's like so stretchy. So when you wear it, it's not like super like, you know, like what do you call this one? It's just so stretchy. And I like it, and the color is nice. It's only 30 pounds, which normally, yeah, look, 30 pounds only. Normally it costs more, but look at the bag. The one that I like about this is the length, and also like here it will, you know, make you look thinner, something, how you call it, like that. And yeah, I like the color. So this is what I'm going to wear for New Year or maybe for Christmas party. So yeah, I have already dressed. Actually last year I purchased from Zara some New Year dress. So I don't know, maybe I wear this or that, or I don't know, let's see. But I have already dressed last year. I purchased, oh no, this year I mean, this year I purchased for this time. And the next is from Matalan, which is this one. This is Sell. This dress is Sell. Papaya. Look at that. I'm not sure if I will like it, but I just purchased it and I will try it later. This is 20 pounds and I purchased it for 6 pounds, which is very cheap. So this is the problem with me. For those who are new in my channel, 20 pounds. And then when I saw that it's just 6 pounds now, I said, oh, okay, I think I like it. You know, even though maybe I'm not sure I like it, it's not like 100% I like it, but because of the price, I said, oh, okay, that's nice. That's my problem. The Sell. And this is from Matalan also. Just 13 pounds. But the thing that I like about this, or at least my son, it's because this one doesn't have, you know, it's like that. It's like, what do you call this one? Like, you can just adjust it, but there's no, like that, you know. My son preferred this one than the other one. So, they don't have always like this in Matalan. Even in Sainsbury's, they don't have always. That's why every time I'm checking to see if they have. And then when they have, I always buy advance. This is for, oh no, this is for 6 years old. I think I need to grab, because they don't have actually any other than 6 years old. So anyway, maybe I go back there and check if they have for 7, 8, like that. I need to buy in advance. And then next, but I don't think so my son needs that one. I don't know. And this is from 7 to 8 years old. This is from Tiki Maxx. And I checked my son's wardrobe. He got so many. It's 4 pounds only, guys. Yeah, 4 pounds from 18 pounds. So anyway, I checked my son's wardrobe and he got so many already. 6 years old, 7 years old, 8, 9, and 10 a little. So now, by the way, this one. And now I went to Sainsbury's and I saw they have so many sale. So I choose clothes that are like 10 years old, 11 or 9 a bit. Yeah. So I don't know why I'm buying, because to be honest guys, I really save. I don't know, I need to compute, because I feel like I'm saving money because I am buying in advance and most of these are like sell. But sometimes also I feel like for 6 years old, I purchased so many clothes and my son is going to school, and if he's not in school, he's just doing football and swimming like that. So Alex, no music. Music. So I feel like maybe I bought so much clothes for him, but I'm thinking also maybe it will not go to waste because I have nephew and I can give it to, you know, birthday party like that. So I don't know if I made the right decision, because I feel like for 6 years old, he got still so many 6 years old clothes that he didn't wear. There's so many tags still. So I don't know, but I will compute it later. I feel like I'm saving money, but maybe I'm not saving money because I buy too much. So yeah, anyway, so this one is Cell coat. This is for 7 to 8 years old. My son have 2 coats already for 7 and 8. Because I check now, so I feel, because I'm checking and then say, okay, maybe I just didn't take note. That's why I bought so many items the same age, like so much 6 to 7 like that. So this time I'm checking. So I saw he have 7 to 8 years old coat 2. So this one 3, because I feel like my son needs 3. You know why? It's because sometimes he's dirty and need time to dry, and he used the other one. Sometimes he forgot in school. So it's good to have 3 minimum coats. He doesn't have so much. Yeah, 3 is so little actually for me. What do you think?
Yeah.
So yeah. And it's just half price, by the way. This is £24 and 50%. So this is what I'm saying, that I save money because I'm not paying full price. But if he's not going to use it, it's not a saving, it's a wasting. So yeah, from now on I'll just buy 10, 9, 10, 11, 12 like that. And then this one, oh, this is 9 years old. Look, yeah, because he doesn't have so much. He just only have 5 clothes for 9, 10 like that. So this is from £7 just to 10, £2 and 10 pence. This is 100% cotton. Next is this England. Look at my back. Let's see what is in the back. Like that. And this is 50%. I think £8. So this is just £4, which is very affordable, right? And then this is for 9 years old. And this is, oh, it's not so expensive, this one actually. 12 years old. So this is £7 and I bought it £2.
Guys, in my channel, which is Alex and
yeah.
London,
so I'm so happy with this, guys.
Comment or subscribe if you want me to.
Hey, I told them you're not playing in the phone and you're doing it. Come on. And then this one.
Mommy, I do it very slow.
This is from Amazon. Let's see what I got.
I don't do it so much time.
Oh. Yeah, I know, just 1 hour a day. But still, because I told them you're not playing in the phone. They can see now that you are playing. Okay, so
my channel, not your channel.
Oh my god, just 1 day. Oh my god. Where's my other order? Oh my goodness.
Hey, don't play all my
no. I need to contact them because I ordered this one and something else. Oh my god. Okay, anyway guys, I need to double check why I don't have my other order, because I thought this is too. So yeah, this one I ordered this because the one that I got, this is thermometer. It's because the one I got, it's like it's old already and it's not working. It's working, but I feel like it's not working. I don't know. I feel like it's not working. So this one is good. So let's see if there's a battery already. Or not yet. Oh, no battery yet. So I will check it later. Because we have it since my son's is, you know, since I give birth. So it's so old. And this is the new one, Alex, for the ear temperature. So it's just so easy. I think it's for ear or for the head. Wait, let me see. Non-contact, yeah, I don't know. Ear or head. I think just head. We'll read it, Alex, okay? And then battery. So this one, I also purchased pulse kit for the kids. It's because my son sometimes heartbeat is so fast. So I just want to make sure that it's still normal. Because we went to GP, they said, oh, it's okay, 92 is okay. So I'm not sure if 92 is okay all the time. So yeah, that one. And then I grabbed this also in Amazon. Let me just remove my address. Oh, I need to complain to Amazon now because I thought they in this package it's 2 because yeah, I need to call them to ask them if they sent it already or not yet because it's so long time already. What is that? I cannot open. There's address. Okay, so from here, since we're going for a bonfire night, last time guys, we went and then it's a bit noisy and I just want to protect my son's hearing or ears. So I grabbed this just for
headphones.
Yeah, this is just to protect your, let's see, come here. Let's see if it's much, I mean, it's good for you because I want to protect your ears because it's so loud. Come on, come here.
Put my ears when?
So you don't, wait, let me
Ow!
Wait,
It
need to adjust.
hurts.
No.
It hurts on this one, so you need to do
What
on the...
is this?
It hurts on this side.
Okay, let's see again. Maybe there's something to adjust here. Why it's so small, yeah? It's so small. It's not. Look at. It's my son's favorite is red, but maybe wait. Let me check. Maybe there is. I know. Wait. What? Okay. Right now I can see now. There's adjustment because I feel like it's impossible. Oh, right now. Yeah, I'm sure it's like that. You can adjust it. Because how can it protect your ears if it's outside your ears? Oh, okay.
Hey!
What?
My ears are folding.
Folding? Okay. No, it should be like that, properly like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Like that? Let's see.
Huh? It's something done that on that side.
Okay, like that? Okay, let me see in the camera.
But I can still hear you.
Okay, let me see in the camera.
I'm the papa.
You're like a DJ now. So it's okay, comfy. It's 10 pound and they give me £1 discount. So £9 I paid it. Like £8.99.
£9?
Yeah.
That's so cheap.
Okay, and then I bought this in Sainsbury's because they have sale. Yeah, I don't drink, but for the party when I need to go. And then this one is give it to my friend because you know, like when there's a Christmas party, New Year's party, I just purchased it because this is also sale, guys. Like this is $7.50, normally it's 11. This one is £1 less, so it's like, I think this is £9 or £10, then £1 cheaper, something like that. To get discount. So when I can see something that I will need and like I will need it for New Year or December, I just buy it now, you know. Next is from Primark. New Year. And this is sale.
I just
look, from £10 it's £5. Yeah, I have problem with sale. You know, if I go to shop and then there's no sale, 50-50 I'll buy something. Or most of the time I will not buy anything, but if it's sale, I will buy it even I don't need it. I will buy full price, like for my son's uniform, something like that. I buy full price because there's no sale for these things. And then this is £1. Look at Alex, it's so cute. I'm thinking to put my plants here, and then I put
it's so bad.
It's so cute, but I will put it in the garden.
The looking is so
it's $3.50 but £1.
It's like the looking is so bad.
Yeah, and then I put some real plants. I mean roses or something. I don't know. I just like it. It's a boots. £1 from $3.50. And next is no, there is more. I think I bought more in Primark. What happened? And then this one $1.50. And then I check it. I already have like this actually. So I'll just give it to my nephew. Because last time for VE celebration, what is that? VE anniversary. VE day, yeah. So they need to wear like this or something. So that's what I purchased.
Mom, it's because they have England flags.
Yeah, anything with
England flags or UK flags.
Yeah.
Or at least red, white, or blue, or both, or one of both of those.
Yeah, and this one from
at
Primark.
Least any red, blue, or white.
Anyway, guys, I need to go. It's because anyway, that's the end of the video, and then I need to contact Amazon for my other parcel.
How about my channel?
Yeah, it's still there. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye!